In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Google Calendar 2026. Step by step. If you're managing tasks in Monday.com and tracking your day in Google Calendar, connecting the two can save you time and prevent missed deadlines. By the end of this walkthrough, your board items with dates can automatically appear on your calendar, keeping everything aligned without manual copying. I'll keep things simple and clear, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so you get a reliable setup on the first try. Start by opening the board where your time-based work lives. In our example, it's a board called Trial Management, but this works the same on any board. Make sure the items you want on your calendar have a proper date column and that the dates and times are accurate. If your board uses multiple date columns, decide which one should drive the calendar events like a due date or a meeting date. Having this decided now will make the integration smoother and reduce errors later. Next, look for the integrate option inside your board. Depending on your layout and plan, you'll typically find an integrations button or puzzle piece icon near the top of the board. Clicking it opens the Integration Center, which is the hub where you connect external apps to your board's workflows. If you don't see it, you may need the right board permissions or workspace access. A quick check with your workspace admin can save time if the button isn't visible. From the Integration Center, choose Google Calendar, and then pick a template that matches how you want information to flow. Monday.com calls these templates recipes, and each one describes in plain language what will happen. For example, you can choose a recipe that creates an event in Google Calendar when an item has a date, or one that keeps events updated when your item changes. As you select a template, you'll be guided to specify which date column to use, which calendar to target, and how titles and details should appear. Use clear item names so your calendar stays readable, and make sure the time zone in your account matches how you schedule your work. If your board contains both all-day and timed items, choose a template that respects times to avoid events defaulting to all-day. That's it. Open your board, go to Integrate, then select Google Calendar, and choose the template that fits your workflow.